guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video I'm doing an unboxing. So this company called Sparkle & Co, they contacted me to do a review and show you guys about their subscription boxes. So this is one of the box I received from them, and let's open up and see what's inside. And then that's the box open and it says Sparkle & Co here, Lux Nails, that's their Facebook and Instagram. And here's a very pretty bag inside here. It's all full of flamingos and I see a key ring here. Oh my gosh, so cute. And here we go guys, they have all the products inside this insulated area, and I think it's a great bag for beach or you know, like for vacation. I just love it. And here are all their dip powders and something here too. So we're gonna open and see what else we have. That aside, and here they have given me a code which is Cherry Blossom 15, where you will receive a 15% off anything you buy from the website, but not on subscription bag, because these are already like discounted. This box is around $29.99 and which retails for $47.99. so I guess it's a great price. So you can use my coupon code on other products they have, and they have beautiful gel polishes there. They have beautiful regular polishes and nail supplies, cuticle oils, like so many things, and I will link everything in the description box for you guys to check it out. And here they have some important tip about the liquids, and here they have the full instruction of how to use their dip powders. So I'm gonna follow these because I've never used dip powder nails before, so I'm really excited to try it out and see how it turned out. So now let's open what's inside of this. So here they have given me 3 of their dip powders, and here they have given me the swatches. So the first one is Baby Flamingo, the next one they have is Let's Flamingo, and the third one they have is called Let's Take a Dip. So they have really beautiful names here. I just love it. And what else in the box? So that's the liquid they have, Solidify number 3, and then they have some cute more little flamingos inside. So cute. So this one is the July subscription bag, and they have given some information here. Now let's check what's inside this black sheer bag. And the first thing I see is the important note: these 2 dip liquids not part of this month's subscription. Usually only 1 dip liquid each month, but we wanted you to have them in order to complete a full dip application. They are available for purchase on our website. So yeah, that's the important note. There are 2 liquids inside this bag. So the first one here is called Base Bond number 2, and the second one is called Glossy Coat number 4. So yes, that's all came in the box guys, and I want to give you a little more information about the box. So they do a referral program, and they do 2 kind of referral programs. One is the first order referral program. If you use my Cherry Blossom 15 coupon code in the referral area when you complete your first order, you will receive a $9 credit. But for this you have to create an account with Sparkle & Co. And the other subscription referral program is every time somebody uses my coupon code, which is Cherry Blossom 15, to sign up for the subscription bag, in the checkout they will receive $18 credit towards future orders in their Sparkle & Co account after they receive their first bag. I think it's a great deal. You're gonna use that $18 in your future orders or anything you want to buy in the time span of 1 to 2 months. All of the links and all of the information I'm gonna put in the description box for you guys, so you can check it out and read about them, and make sure to make an account in the website to get all these discounts. Feel free to comment if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer them. This is the part 1 of this video, and in the next part I'm going to apply this color on my nails and I'm gonna show you guys how it is and how it works, if it's a hit or a miss. So yeah, I'm really excited for that because I've never tried dip powder before on my nails. So it's gonna be like first time trying dip powders on my nails. So if you are excited for that, let me know in the comments below because I'm really excited. And yeah, stay tuned for part 2 of this video, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video of dip powder nails. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and do hit the bell button for my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching my videos, guys, and I will see you in my next video then. Bye.